From the home screen of Parcel Shipping, locate and click Administration in the navigation bar. Locate the tile Device Management and click to access. Locate the tile Cloud Bridge app and click More Info. Review the minimum PC requirements. All modern PCs will meet the requirements. If the PC being used does not meet the requirements, utilize the Install Them Here link to download the Microsoft's needed .NET framework. After reviewing and/or downloading the minimum requirements, download the CloudBridge application via the clickable hyperlink here in the last sentence. The install process will now begin. Follow the install prompts, and once installed, the CloudBridge application will now work with the connected scale. For a step-by-step guide of the installation wizard, visit this link.